How's it going, y'all? Peace. Of course, I'm running around doing my DoorDash thing, and I noticed the last couple days I've been losing air pressure in one of my tires, but it had no obvious leak to it. I couldn't find a puncture or a nail in it or whatever. So I'm going to show you right here how to check for a leak. I have another video, the link will be in the comments, on how to plug a tire, but I'm going to show you how to find the leak. So what I did on this one here, I have a floor jack. Found me a good connection point right there where the springs are. Jacked it up just enough where the tire will turn. I wasn't going to take the tire all the way off just yet until I find the leak. Broke the lug nuts just a little bit. Now all we need right here, put a little bit of water with just a squirt of Dawn in here. Okay, a little soapy water. And what you're going to do when you rotate the tire, now we got it up where we can see it. This is a back tire. On my other video for plugging a tire, it's a front tire, and I was able to do it right on the front because I'm able to turn the tires there and get to the tire. Here on the back, I wasn't able to do so. So in order to find the leak, you're going to spray the tire down with this soap right here. Okay, and I was discouraged. I went around this whole tire. Now I done forgot where it's at. I found it, but I wanted to show you. Okay, and we're just going to look, and you're going to look for air bubbling up, and what the Dawn is going to do, the soap is going to bubble where you find the leak. Let me see here. Where's that sucker at? Let's see here. Oh, there's our culprit right there. See where that's bubbling up? Now there's no debris sticking out of it. There's no nut and bolt. Like usually when I get a flat tire, I can find it and I can see it, but I couldn't see this one. So apparently I drove over something and it punctured it and just kept right on going, or a nail or something got in it and came out later. But there it is. There's the slow leak, and that's how you find the leak in your tire. Now, like I said, I've got a really good quick video, like under 3 minutes, to show you how to plug that, and just check out that video. It's in the comments. Now I pulled the tire off real quick and plugged it. I have my own air compressor and stuff, and you can see now after it's plugged, there's no leak, no bubbles.